it's a Lamborghini, it's like an Aventador.
Nope, it's not a Lambo.
This is not a Lambo? Who's driving it?
I know.
I think that's Philadelphia Phillies Ryan Howard. This is crazy.
We got my 918 Spider.
800 horsepower.
8 plus, 887. Don't disrespect.
That's almost dead.
Don't disrespect. It'll.
And they're just everywhere. Money, horsepower, fumes.
This is the world first Lamborghini straight pipe that shoots flames without forced induction.
Okay, we got it. Wow, that was loud. So many great cars.
Man, this is great. Ferraris, we got, what do we have? Let me see. Hey, buddy. Nice car, man. Wait, now hold on. I know it's a Lamborghini. It's like an Aventador. It looks like you got like a, I don't know. I never.
No. It's not a Aventador.
It's not a Huracan.
Nope, it's not a Lambo.
This is not a Lambo?
Honestly, this is a custom-made car.
The whole car?
The whole car, all custom. As you can see, I brought the baddest car, not Kathy, not Tank, the Vader.
What did this start at?
It actually started as a G35, but just the chassis.
Infiniti G35?
Yep. Yes, sir.
It's longer. The wheelbase is longer.
Yeah, it's all extended. All extended.
Wait a minute.
It's on the airbags. You got the lift kit all around. You got the wing back there. It's all custom carbon fiber.
Where'd you get it from?
We got it built in Florida. The company's called Supercraft Cars.
Supercraft Cars?
Yes. Basically, if you get a car like this, or just a regular G35 motor, you can do whatever your pocket could handle.
What motor's in it?
G35 motor?
It is?
Yes, G35 motor.
You didn't stop with a stock motor?
Yeah, we jazzed the motor up.
When you say jazz it up?
We'll put like a supercharger on the motor.
On the G35?
Yes, sir.
How much horsepower?
550?
Really?
Yes.
G35 with a supercharger on it. Hit it. Yo, that sound like an F1 car.
Yeah.
That's a G35 motor?
G35.
Hit it again. Just one more time. Yo, raise it up. Let me see it come up. Yeah. Yo, that is what's up. Beautiful piece.